Hey everybody, just wanted to shoot a quick video. It's Tony RVitia with RVitia RV Rentals. I just wanted to help out any way I could. One of the first things I always recommend when you're going to rent out your RV to save you a ton of time for check-ins and things is to make a video walkthrough of your RV. You can do it super simple. You can do it on your iPhone, or if you have a friend. This is one of our clients behind us. He's actually a photographer and a videographer, so we actually have him filming the video for us. So whenever you can, to save expenses, you want to get somebody who knows what they're doing, who can edit it, and then you can also send it to Fiverr. Go to fiverr.com and find people who can edit the video for you for pretty inexpensive. So all you really need to do is shoot it, and then you can get somebody for 10, 20, relatively reasonably priced to edit it for you and make it look professional, put chapters and things in it for you. So just do like a walkthrough for the people, show them all the hardest things to do, like hook up the sewer hoses, explain how any of the buttons work if they seem complicated, especially like on our RVs at Class A. So there's the slides, and there's different buttons, and the leveling jacks, and there's all kinds of different stuff. This one behind me, the Mini Winnie Winnebago, it doesn't have any slides or anything, so it's relatively simple. But depending upon what kind of RV you have, you do want to do a video. It'll save you time on the check-in process. Okay, all right, I gotta go back to shooting, but always make a video. You can go to fiverr.com to get it edited. Try to find somebody who's good on camera who can help do a walkthrough for you, and just make sure and go through the whole process. I hired a professional videographer on ours on thumbtack.com, or you can go to Craigslist as well. All right, have a great day. Let me know if you need any help below.